we have the current stock market update for GEOVAX Labs Incorporated, stock ticker GOVX. Before we begin with today's market analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comment section so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So what we're looking at here is the 4-hour time frame. I did want to sort of start with this viewpoint so that we can get a bit of a longer term assessment of what exactly has gone on with this stock, because we have seen some recent videos which are suggesting that a short squeeze or something like that is imminent. Some sort of massive price rise will be imminent here in the near future. So I do want to just start with just looking at a bit of a longer term viewpoint here. This does stretch all the way back to really the beginning of 2022, and we can't see very many instances where share prices have managed to sort of maintain rallies. They have occurred a couple of times here. One example would be August 2022. Share prices really moved into right around the $65 area, which is a very significant price movement here. But as we can see, it's very short-lived, which is something that really becomes a theme with this stock. It's something that we see over and over again, because it is possible, at least in terms of the past, to see examples of share price activity that have moved higher, but they also they reverse themselves just as quickly. So the people that are saying that we should be buying this stock, I mean, my real question would be, if the stock is capable of making these sorts of rallies, why can't they sustain these rallies? Why does the share price turn around just as quickly, as it did when it started? It's just a completely ridiculous scenario here, and the idea that anybody is really profiting from this stock is pretty ridiculous. I mean, when you see these types of price movements, it becomes clear very quickly that a very small percentage of the market is actually capitalizing from these gains. I mean, you can see people that are able to push large injections of money into a stock like this, see a short-term pump higher, and then but then quickly those people take profits as soon as that happens, and then share prices start to move lower. This in particular was based on stock split activity again, which is just another major red flag for any stock. If you're seeing share price movement that is drastically higher because they sort of manipulated the share price to make it look like it's larger or smaller than it actually is. I mean, this has no underlying effect on the value of the stock. It's still the same pie, so to speak. You're just cutting the pie up into different slices. The pie itself is exactly the same. So, you can just imagine a pizza or a pumpkin pie or something like that. I don't know, but there's no difference in the original entity. They're just sort of splitting things up in a bit of a different way. So, this most recent movement higher did get a lot of attention on YouTube. There was this belief that, share prices were just going to continue moving higher. But as you can see, this is not the case. And in the prior video that I released for this stock, we were looking at some of these near-term support levels. We hadn't actually broken through everything at that point. But we were en route to breaking through this 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of this ascending movement here. So what we're really looking at here is 165 to 1117, which is obviously a massive price movement here. I mean, we're approaching like 1,000% gain type of thing. And this would have occurred, let's see, the price lows come in August 8, and the price highs are August 19. So, these are, hundreds and hundreds of points, percentage gain here in, what was that, 10 days or something? So, obviously this is not normal activity. You don't really see things like this happen very often. And then when they start to reverse themselves quite quickly, this is your example of market manipulation here. I mean, a lot of people want to talk about market manipulation with these YouTube internet stocks, these social platform stocks. We always want to talk about stock market manipulation, and this is why AMC is going to go higher, because there's so much manipulation in the market. And my answer to that really generally is just, who cares? Like, even if you're right, it doesn't matter if you can't get out of, your position at a higher price. Like, I don't even let's just imagine you're right about all this. Who knows? Maybe you are right about all this. Maybe you're right about everything. Okay. But if you can't, if it's not reflected in share prices, your hands are cuffed at that point. You're shackled in and you can't get out of the trade anyway. Being right doesn't pay you anything. Okay. You're in a position that you can't get out of. So, as we can see here, what has happened with this stock is that we did wind up breaking through the 786 retracement that we were watching here. That came in at $3.70. We hadn't quite broken there just yet, but now we have. So as we can see, share prices just sort of continue to move lower, and we're just sort of now flatlining right around $2 per share. So, what can I say here? If I was going to make a bullish argument, if I was going to try to agree with these people, these sort of tinfoil hat wearing people that are buying stocks like this, you could, I suppose, you could make the argument that this is a series of higher lows. I mean, if we go back here, we've got roughly $1.10, and then we've got about $1.65. And now we're right around $2 per share. So is it possible that you're starting to form an uptrend here? I suppose you could at least try to make that argument. But I would be very skeptical of any stock that sees these types of price pumps. Even just establishing this series of higher lows, like I would grant that, it is a series of higher lows. That is what you need to form a base. It is happening after long-term movements lower, and you are now starting to approach that $0 level. So, is there any real reason to believe that the stock actually goes to zero? Or should we believe that, we're starting to form a base here? The real question that I have is, whether or not these bases are sustainable. And if we are going to start to see price movements higher, why are we not seeing a bounce from here? I mean, I have to really manipulate the chart here in order to even get a view of what exactly is going on. Like I have to distort the chart outlook here. Okay, now we can start to sort of see, what this actual price low really looks like. And we did actually break below $2 per share. So that wasn't even the real high, the real low here. So we are looking at lows here of $1.83, which is a slight improvement, I guess, from 165. You can make that argument, I suppose, but the problem that I have with buying into something like this is that the gains are so minimal. The bounces are very minimal in comparison with the prior activity that was seen. I mean, you might even make the argument that we're moving higher at this point, but you have to call the exact top and the exact bottom and then get out of this position at the exact right moment in order to see anything that resembles a gain. There are much better stocks to trade. I would recommend getting out of this stock completely. Here's the current market update for GEOVAX, stock ticker GOVX. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market, lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.